The Tower of Babel. After the flood, Noah's sons and their wives had many children. Just as the Lord had told them to do, their families grew and they began to spread to different parts of the earth. Now, there was a great number of Noah's descendants, and all of them were speaking the same language. As they moved eastward, they found a fertile plain in Babylon and settled there. Now, they did not want to roam place to place. So, they decided to make a city for themselves to live in. They learned making hard and strong bricks by baking them carefully. Off they went to build a great city anyone had ever built, using strong bricks and tar. They worked really hard to make such a magnificent city. After some time, the city was completed. People were so happy as the city they had built was beautiful. They admired themselves. We have built a great city, and now we have a home to live in. We don't have to wander here and there. But we must not stop here. Come, let us build ourselves a tower whose top will reach into the heavens, so that we may make for ourselves a name in the world for building the biggest and best tower ever, said the people with great pride. The people decided that the tower would be so high that people could see it from miles away. They wanted to make something that would draw people from faraway places to see and admire it. Actually, they wanted everyone to know how great they were. So, they set about working right away. Together, people began making the bricks and baking them to make them so hard and strong in order to build the tower. Brick upon brick, higher and higher, they were building the tower. Bragging and boasting about their work, they continued building the tower for some time. As they wanted to build the tower so high that it would reach the sky, they named it the Tower of Babel. Babel means gateway to God. Now, God saw that people's heart were more focused on themselves and the tower instead of God. They were so busy building a name for themselves, they no longer had any time for God. God was watching everything that was happening all along. Then God came down to the earth to see the city and the tower the people were building. He saw how people were working together to make such proud plans. God was very disappointed and annoyed with them. I see. The people think that together they can do anything because they all speak the same language, wondered God. But this isn't right. They have already begun to turn away from me, and soon there won't be anything good left. All they'll do is sin. Every great thing they do, they will think that they are even greater, and there will be no end to the trouble that will bring about. I will have to put a stop to this right now, God observed. Let us mix up their language to confuse them, so they will not understand one another. And right then, God mixed up their language, and people began to confuse as they started calling things by different names. People wondered that 1 minute ago they could understand one another perfectly, and the very next minute they couldn't understand a single word of what the other person was saying. Now, whatever they were saying was making no sense. It all sounded like a bunch of babbling. This was the reason why the city was now called Babel. Now, the people realized that they couldn't get any work done. They weren't getting along so well anymore. So, they stopped building the tower, and all the people who spoke one new language got together and moved to a new place. In this way, people speaking the same language began to move all over the earth. This was the beginning of the languages. God really hates pride and arrogance. That's why He didn't let the people accomplish their plan to make the magnificent tower that might reach the heavens. God's plans were fulfilled because the people were scattered all over the earth. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.